When in doubt, love is how. And how do you apply love? How do you use the tool of love to heal a condition in your body and your mind and your life in the world is a different answer all the time, because it's not a template that you can go quank onto anything and the behavior would be the same, because love looks different depending on what the situation is. Often I say, sometimes love says no, right? It depends. So, but it's love, and you can feel that love in your body and your senses. And what I've been teaching about in the meditation classes over and over lately is about how to know what your own intuition is. How do you tell an intuitive thought from a thinking thought? How do you feel the difference? What is energy, working with the energy? So when you're moving through love, you can feel it, because if it's not love, it's not love.